If you're looking to maintain the peak performance of your KC machinery, understanding the role of a fuel injection pump is critical. These pumps aren't just simple components, they're the backbone of the fuel system. Without precise fuel delivery, engines can underperform, stall, or even cause costly downtime. For models like Case 2155, 2188, 2555, 420, CPX 420, MX 200, and MX 220, the KRRK-parts fuel injection pump J926887 offers a reliable, high-quality solution that ensures your equipment runs efficiently under the toughest conditions. This pump is engineered to meet the exacting standards of KC engines. One of the most significant aspects of a fuel injection pump is its ability to deliver fuel at the precise pressure and timing required for proper combustion. Any deviation in this delivery can cause rough idling, reduced power, higher fuel consumption, or even engine failure. The J926887 addresses these issues by providing consistent fuel flow that is fully compatible with the designated KC models. Durability is a major consideration. Engines in agricultural or construction machinery operate under intense conditions, dust, vibration, high load, and long hours of continuous operation. The internal components of this pump, such as plungers, delivery valves, and control rods, are manufactured to withstand these stresses. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can endure the repetitive high-pressure cycles without premature wear. The result is a part that can reliably support heavy-duty performance across multiple seasons. Ease of installation is another advantage. Fitment challenges are common when sourcing replacement parts for machinery. Misaligned mounting points, incompatible connectors, or incorrect pressure outputs can lead to delays and extra labor costs. This pump is designed to be a direct replacement, meaning it fits seamlessly into the original setup without modifications. That translates to less downtime and faster restoration of full engine performance. Performance restoration is not just about convenience, it directly affects operational efficiency. A failing fuel injection pump can cause incomplete combustion, resulting in black smoke, increased fuel consumption, and diminished power output. By replacing it with a high-quality unit like the J926887, you restore engine efficiency and reduce emissions, which is particularly important in agricultural settings where machinery operates for long stretches and fuel costs add up quickly. Consider scenarios like harvest season or peak fieldwork. Every hour counts, and any interruption due to engine issues can delay operations, reduce productivity, and impact profits. Ensuring the fuel injection pump is functioning correctly prevents unexpected breakdowns and keeps workflow smooth. In heavy-duty equipment, even minor performance drops can have cascading effects on the entire operation. Reliability also translates to peace of mind. When operators know their fuel system is functioning optimally, they can focus on the work at hand rather than constantly monitoring engine performance. This level of confidence is invaluable, particularly for professionals who rely on their machinery for daily output. Cost-effectiveness is another consideration. OEM parts often come with premium pricing, but aftermarket options like this KRRK-parts pump provide comparable quality at a more affordable price point. It offers the right balance between durability, precision, and value, allowing operators to maintain performance without overspending. Long-term maintenance benefits are clear as well. Using a high-quality replacement pump reduces the frequency of repairs, extends service intervals, and minimizes the risk of recurring engine issues. This contributes to lower maintenance costs over time and ensures consistent performance throughout the machine's life cycle. Environmental and operational efficiency also improve with this pump. Properly delivered fuel ensures complete combustion, which reduces unburned fuel and black smoke emissions. Machines run cleaner, more efficiently.